Hi guys, if this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Marianne Okonkwo. So today I'm just basically going to be showing you guys how to make a crochet wig. And first off, you're going to need the mannequin head and of course your crochet wig cap. It looks like a net. You can just go to the market and tell them, or any hair salon and tell them you want to buy a net wig cap. You're gonna need some pins. I basically use these office pins just to stamp the wig onto the mannequin head so it doesn't move. And of course, to the start of today's show, you're gonna need some Savvy Tresses crochet hair. It looks like this, and I really like that they use the cute ribbon, blue ribbon, to hold it together as opposed to most people that just use rubber band. Yeah, basically, so that's how it looks like. First off, you're gonna remove the wig cap and put it onto the mannequin head, and then use your pins to stamp them into place so that they don't move about. And you're supposed to use 4 stamp pins, but I couldn't find the rest of the pins, so I had to just manage the 3. I forgot to mention that excuse me, you're gonna need the crochet pin. It looks like that, and it's just like a pin with a cover, so you put it through the hole and that's it. So for this, I would advise you go through 2 rows or 3 rows at most. So you take here I'm just trying to untie the ribbon. So once you do that, you just take a piece. Please note, I started off without dividing it, so this is just one piece. This one piece you can divide it into 3 or 2, but preferably 2, but I didn't do that for the first bundle and I ran short of hair. So just to save you a lot of stress, just divide it into 2 and then go ahead and crochet it onto the wig cap. So you see, you move the pin through 2 holes, hold on to the crochet, pull it through, and then pull the strands through the hole that you've created, and boom, that's basically it. So I'm just going to give you a few seconds to see how I'm going to do the rest, and just watch and learn. So this is the second bundle. I wish I knew what I was saying. What I did initially, I would have divided all of them into 2 pieces each, but unfortunately I did not, and I ran out of hair. So, and it can be a bit heavy, so you want to be very careful. Divide it into 3 if you can. So I think I started dividing it in the second bundle, as you can see here. So my bad. What I did initially was to crochet it around the wig, so if I want to pack it up like a bun, I can do that. And then once I've done, I make sure that the circumference, the parameters are tightly knitted. I'll then just use my eyeballs to eyeball the center of the wig cap and just place the wigs how I want it to be.